Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I have a very special pre-Christmas unboxing for all of you. This is the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Raffy Tulfo In Action version, otherwise known as the Tulfone. We will be unboxing it, checking the features out, and at the very end of the video, I'll share with you if it is worth buying at the retail price of 3,999 pesos. Let's go! If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. Why? Because we are giving a bunch of items away, including this Raffy Tulfo In Action Tulfone Cherry Mobile Flare S7 smartphone. All you guys have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, wait until the very end of the video where I share with you the mechanics on how we will be giving this smartphone away. So let's kick things off with the unboxing, and then we'll take a closer look at the phone, go over the specifications, as well as me sharing with you my initial impressions after using it for a little over a day. So as you can see over here, it comes in this custom Raffy Tulfo In Action box. You have the picture of Raffy Tulfo over here. You have the details or the special features of the phone. You have the idol ringtone, the idol wallpaper, and the Tulfi app, which we will see in a while. It says over here Tulfone, Tulfone also over here along the side. Cartoon picture of Raffy Tulfo on the other end, and then you have the specifications of the device here at the back. If you slide this top cover open, it reveals the actual Flare S7 box. So this is your typical Cherry Mobile Flare S7 box, and if you slide this one open, you get to the phone. Now please do take note that I already tinkered with the phone, so it doesn't come anymore with the wrapper, and I have turned it on and I have played around with it. But to give you guys an idea, it is your typical Flare S7. There's nothing too different about it. The only big difference is that here at the back, they put some sort of like decal which says Raffy Tulfo In Action. So it's like some sort of textured sticker over here. So it's not engraved, it's not like a special color edition. It's just this sticker at the back that says Raffy Tulfo In Action, and then you have the Cherry Mobile logo here at the top. Now we'll set aside the phone first so we can go over what else is inside the box. Then we'll get into the details of the smartphone. If you take a look at what else is here, we remove the top cover of the box. You have, well, this used to be where the battery was. This is like earphones, so wired earphones. You have the charger over here. You have the USB-C cable. By the way, that is a USB-C cable phone, which is awesome. You have the manual, and then you have the rest of the quick start guide over here. So let's take a closer look at the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Tulfone. So what are the specifications? It has a MediaTek quad-core processor. It's the MT6739 quad-core processor. It comes paired with 3 GB of RAM. It also has a 5.5-inch HD Plus display over here. You have 16 internal gigabytes of storage, which is expandable to 128 gigabytes. It's dual SIM. One slot is LTE, one slot is 3G. You have a dual camera setup for both the front-facing and the back camera. The back camera has a 13-megapixel main shooter and then a 2-megapixel backup shooter with LED flash as well. A few advanced features that you see in premium devices. It has a fingerprint scanner at the back. It has USB-C like what I mentioned earlier. And it also has face unlock with the 2-camera setup at the front. It has 2,400 milliamperes of battery, and it runs on Android Oreo 8.1. Now, just by looking at those specs, you can already tell that it is outdated. For example, a lot of the smartphones that you buy today have 4 GB of RAM minimum. The processor at quad-core MediaTek 6739 is definitely outdated. Even the internal storage of 16 gigabytes is not acceptable anymore, considering the amount of space a lot of applications take up on your phone. So that is the biggest drawback of the Tulfone. You are paying current budget price for last year's budget smartphone, wherein you can buy today's budget smartphone at much better specifications with the same price. Now let's go over the Raffy Tulfo features inside this smartphone. The most important one is the Tulfi, which is basically well, a selfie with an image of Raffy Tulfo superimposed on your picture. So what's funny is they didn't even put it at the main, screen. You have to go deep into the applications and then look for it, which you can find at the bottom beside YouTube. And if you click it, this is what the application looks like. So you have that initial cartoon of Raffy Tulfo. You can pick between portrait or landscape to be able to take the photo. Let's, for example, take portrait over here. And as you can see, it has that picture of Raffy Tulfo at the front. And whatever photo that you take, it has his picture there at the foreground. So if you take like a quick selfie, it's like having a picture with Raffy Tulfo, with the idol in front of you, which is kind of weird. So that is what a Tulfi looks like, just for everybody's information. Now, apart from the Tulfi app, you also have the Raffy Tulfo wallpaper, which is just one wallpaper that you see over here. There are no other Raffy Tulfo wallpapers. I think that is a big missed opportunity because they could have put in more wallpapers of Raffy Tulfo that you can only find in this smartphone. So that's definitely a letdown. And lastly, you have the ringtone, which apparently is like some sort of song for Raffy Tulfo. So I'll play it for you guys so you have an idea what it sounds like. So it's called Idol Raffy, and this is what it sounds like. So it has some sort of like reggae vibe to it, and it just keeps on saying Idol Raffy, which is again a cute song for the Raffy Tulfo smartphone. And that, I think, is another missed opportunity because they could have put in so much more in terms of audio featuring Raffy Tulfo. I mean, they could have put in like an alarm of him waking you up, or him like giving you inspirational words, or some of his most memorable lines could have been put inside the phone to give it more of that Raffy Tulfo fan vibe that a lot of people are looking for, because that's the main reason why they're buying this phone in the first place. Now, how is the overall performance of the device? Well, it is last year's budget smartphone, so it is last year's budget performance. What does that mean? There is a noticeable lag when you are using the smartphone. It's not smooth in any way, and you can get that feeling right off the bat as you are checking out different applications. Apps load kind of slow, including games such as Mobile Legends. The camera is a bit slow when taking photos. The front-facing camera is next to unusable because it is super pixelated. The front-facing camera is unusable when it is low light. It kind of works when there is decent light, but when it is low light, you don't get a lot of love from the photos that you take. So should you buy the Cherry Mobile S7 Tulfone? Ultimately, it is for people who are massive fans of Raffy Tulfo, who just want a souvenir or merchandise from their idol. It is kind of a novelty item more than anything else because ultimately, it is last year's budget smartphone. You cannot go around the fact that the specifications are outdated, the camera is not as good as you would want it to be, it is kind of slow and sluggish, but it does have Raffy Tulfo's name. It has like novelty features like the Tulfi, as well as the wallpaper and the song, which makes it that kind of device. However, for pure performance purposes, for bang for your buck, there are better budget smartphones. You don't even have to look far because you can just buy the Cherry Mobile S8, which is this year's Cherry Mobile's budget smartphone offering, which retails for the same price of 3,999 pesos. So if you are a massive fan of Raffy Tulfo and you want, his first phone in your cabinet, in your collection, then go ahead, knock yourselves out and buy it. However, don't think for a second that this is the best budget smartphone that you can buy this year, 2019, moving into 2020, especially since this is 2018's budget smartphone. And with that said, let's get to the mechanics on how you can win this Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Raffy Tulfo In Action Tulfone Special Edition smartphone. That is a mouthful. What are the mechanics? Number one, you have to subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the thumbs up button to like this video. Share it on Facebook. And then after that, follow me on Instagram. Join our Facebook community. All of the links can be found in the description box. And then leave a comment down below on what is your favorite moment of watching Raffy Tulfo. Whatever episode, whatever memory that you have of him, whatever story, fascinating story that you have of him, just leave it down below and include your IG handle. We will be drawing the winner on January the 1st. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our short video for today. Advance Merry Christmas. I am uploading this December 24. I have a special Christmas unboxing the morning of December 25. So make sure that you guys watch that one because I also will be announcing another major giveaway come December 25th in the morning. That said, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.